Today I'm going to help you unlock one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop, layers. Whether you're brand new to digital editing or just looking to clarify some details, by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how layers work, you'll know exactly how to use them to take control of your creative projects, keep your edits organized, and work more efficiently. Let's dive right in. So what exactly are layers? Imagine that you're working with a stack of transparent sheets where each sheet can hold a different image, piece of text, or effect. The magic of Photoshop's layers is that you can work on one sheet at a time, building your design step by step and rearrange them whenever you want. This flexibility is key to creating non-destructive, editable artwork. The first thing you'll notice in the Layers panel is the stacking order. This simply refers to how your layers are arranged from top to bottom. The layer at the top of the panel appears in front of everything below it. If you want a particular element, like a logo or text, to stand out over a background, just drag that layer above the others. Conversely, if you're adding a shadow or background effect, you'll want those layers beneath. Don't be afraid to click, drag, and experiment. It's entirely safe to rearrange layers at will, and you'll often find exactly the look you want by simply changing their order. Now let's talk about transparency. Where there's no content on a layer, it's completely see-through. Photoshop visualizes this with a checkerboard pattern. Think of it like having a clear section on your transparent sheet. Whatever's beneath will shine right through. This is crucial for things like cutout graphics, isolated text, or collages. If a section looks checkered, there's nothing there, so your other layers get a chance to be visible. Don't worry if this seems odd at first. Once you start combining layers, you'll see how transparent areas create depth and flexibility in your edits. One of the biggest advantages of layers is independent editing. You can adjust a single element, say, moving a headline text over your background image or resizing a logo without accidentally messing up everything else. It's like working with puzzle pieces. Each layer is its own piece, so you're free to experiment, undo, and revise without anxiety. This approach encourages creativity, letting you try ideas and keep your work nimble. Layers come in different types. The most straightforward are content layers, which hold images, text, shapes, or graphics. These are your main building blocks. Adjustment layers, though, are a game changer for photo editing. Instead of applying a change like brightness or contrast directly to your image, adjustment layers apply those changes above your other layers, meaning you can tweak, fade, or even delete them later without harming your original content. Real-world example: want to make your whole design look warmer? Pop an adjustment layer above everything else and dial it in. No worries about losing the original colors. There are a few essential controls you'll use all the time. To hide or reveal a layer, just click the little eye icon, great for previewing how different elements work together. The opacity slider lets you set how transparent a layer is. Partway transparent backgrounds or faded overlays are super useful for design work. You can also group layers together for cleaner organization, or lock a layer when you're happy with its position to prevent accidental moves. In blend modes, these alter how the pixels on one layer merge with those underneath, often producing creative effects for lighting, textures, or color. Adding and managing layers is simple. Click the plus sign in the Layers panel to create a new empty layer where you can bring in fresh graphics or paint freely. To remove a layer, just drag it to the trash icon. And if you want to duplicate a layer, use Command or Ctrl+J. This is perfect for making backup copies before a big change. Keep in mind, every new Photoshop document starts with a locked background layer, which often holds your first image. If you need to move or edit it more freely, just unlock it to make it a regular layer. Understanding layers is the foundation of Photoshop mastery. Once you're comfortable with these concepts, you'll find your workflow becomes quicker, cleaner, and a whole lot more fun. If today's tutorial helped clarify how layers work for you, give this video a thumbs up and drop any questions in the comments. I always love hearing how you're using these tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching and happy editing.